This is the Igloo Home Smart Padlock. It may look normal, but it'll do what other padlocks cannot. Enable smarter, instant remote access. It's designed to make everyday life easier and more secure. Nothing's more secure than a lock, right? At least not until you lose the key or forget the combination. It's such a hassle to get replacement keys or call an expensive locksmith to break it open. Well, there are already Bluetooth padlocks out there, but unlocking usually requires an additional app download and account registration. Not so easy. That's why we've developed the Igloo Home Smart Padlock. It's versatile and user-friendly. And there's no need to download an app to receive access. You can securely receive a code via text or messenger. As an owner, you can easily grant time-sensitive access directly from the Igloo Home app. And you can do this wherever you are.
Hi, I'm Matthew. As Airbnb hosts ourselves, we started Igloo Home to make smart locks and lock boxes that would provide our guests with easy and secure ways to enter our rental properties. Since then, we've gone on to win awards for our design and technology, which has been rolled out in over 80 countries and counting. We're now launching a smart padlock focused on sharing access and everyday use.
The Igloo Home Smart Padlock is jam-packed with features. Remote deployability is built around the Igloo Home PIN code algorithm. A similar system is used by banks and in RSA tokens, so it's very secure. With our unique remote PIN codes, users simply receive a text, instant message in real time, or an email from the lock owner. No additional app download is needed. Users can request access by scanning the QR code on the lock. Plus, you don't need to be nearby the lock to create these PIN codes. The Smart Padlock recognizes the dedicated code that's been generated by the app. Codes can be one-time, duration-based, recurring, or permanent use. For example, you can grant recurring access to your dog walker every Wednesday morning. Or if you have a shared storage with others, you can give each person a unique code to access the space. You can also track who unlocked it and when it was done. The Smart Padlock also has Bluetooth capabilities. You can unlock via your smartphone when you're within Bluetooth range.
We've worked hard to strike the right balance between security and convenience. Please support us on Indiegogo today.
The need to measure will always be there. From straight lines to curves, compound surfaces, and everything in between. That's why we created Rollover, the world's first compact digital rolling ruler. We are introducing a new way to measure by removing the complexities of a traditional ruler. The Rollover is compact and simple to use. Just press and hold the button on the back and roll it across a surface. It creates and saves accurate measurements you can count on in the unit of your choice. Whether you're a designer or a tech lover, Rollover is for everyone. The rolling ruler is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Rollover comes with a genuine leather case that fits onto your keychain in a second. Embrace this winning combination of high-quality materials, precision machined stainless steel frame, and a stunning minimalistic design. Rollover provides measuring capabilities in a range of units using a revolutionary user interface. By supporting this campaign, you can join us and make this epitome of convenience a reality. We are ready to change the future, with you by our side.
Have you been looking for a powerful cable that can connect to any device with 10 times charging speed? Introducing X-Power Double Mag Two-Way Magnetic Cable, the world's first two-way magnetic cable which supports power delivery, quick charge, and quick release for all devices. X-Power Double Mag supports a wide range of connectors. It's the most complete solution ever. Make your own combination for your convenience. Double Mag helps to keep your smartphone safe while charging. Also keep your laptop safe by bringing back MagSafe feature to your laptop. X-Power Double Mag is the world's first magnetic cable with PD support. It works great with MacBook and Switch. Charge a phone while driving can be troublesome. With X-Power Double Mag, simply plug and charge with one hand. Double Mag automatically connects within 3 to 4 centimeter range. With strong N38 grade neodymium magnets, Double Mag cable is able to hold up to 500 Gs. By attaching this special accessory, the cable can work as an LED light. The round connector connects in 360 degrees. It also works as a dust protector. The cable passes over 30,000 times bend test. It's even strong enough for car towing. X-Power Double Mag 2-way magnetic cable has already finished test and examination status and is ready for mass production. With your support, we will continue to provide quality and innovative products to customers. Purchase now and give us a chance to be your power.
In 1858, the world's first washing machine was born. In 1911, the first electric washing machine was born. Now, we have more advanced washing machine. But today, we want to change. V-Ton Ultrasonic Cleaning Pen. It's the smallest ultrasonic washing equipment in the world. And anytime or anywhere, you can use it. In life, we will encounter many unexpected difficulties. For example, those annoying stains. But don't worry. V-Ton Ultrasonic Cleaning Pen can help you with the trouble. And keep your clothes clean right away. V-Ton is a smaller, clever product. What's more important is that you can carry it with you anytime and anywhere. How about V-Ton 2.0? We make it more powerful through optimization. It has achieved unprecedented performance through circuit optimization and accessories upgrading. An ultrasonic transmitter, it can produce strong power. In addition, it has a variety of flexible charging way, so you don't have to worry about its power. What can V-Ton 2.0 do? Tie, vest, sweater, trousers, and so on. It's not a problem for it. We have done thousands of experiments about cleaning stains. The goal is to find more efficient cleaning method. V-Ton can quickly clean out various sorts of dirty and dirty stains. Now let's see how it works. You just have to put your shoes in the water. The rest of the job V-Ton can going to help you finish. Powerful ultrasonic energy can instantly remove dirt and stains. Only need very little water to wash clothes. Of course, you better cooperate with the laundry fluid. Now let's look at the wonderful performance of V-Ton. How about other items? In the face of the cleaning of these items, Vitan still looks very relaxed. The world is more beautiful because of you. Thank you.